Let's learn how to wire a high gas pressure switch for a boiler gas train. The high gas pressure switch will be installed after the main fuel shutoff valves closer to the burner. A standard high gas pressure switch is going to have 4 terminals: normally closed, normally open, common, and ground. The internal electrical switch, when the switch is coming out of the box, is going to be connected between the common and the normally closed terminal. This is normal position for the switch and will always be the state that the switch is in when there is no pressure on the switch. So when wiring the switch, we're going to have 3 wires: a ground wire and 2 hot wires. The high gas pressure switch is a switch and not a load, so we're not going to have any neutral wires, so don't use any white wire when wiring the switch. So the ground wire is going to go on the ground terminal. The ground terminal is going to be an upside down Christmas tree, and the terminal is normally going to be a green screw. Now the other 2 wires, both of them are going to be hot wires, but one is going to be feeding voltage into the switch and one will be feeding voltage out of the switch. So if you were to turn on the power and the wire that has voltage on it is going to be the one that you're going to want to connect to the common terminal. And then the second hot wire is going to get connected to the normally closed terminal. So in this wiring, you can see that the common and the normally closed terminals are connected, and the high gas pressure switch is going to allow the burner to run. In the event of a high pressure incident or where the gas pressure exceeds the set point of the high gas pressure switch, the internal of the switch is going to change state and is going to move to the normally open terminal. And now we have continuity between the common and the normally open, which we have the other hot wire on the normally closed terminal. So now we don't have continuity across the switch. Voltage will not pass through the switch and our burner is going to shut down. And that is how you wire a high gas pressure switch on a boiler.